didn't push.
Didn't push yet. 오늘은 LA에 위치한 온타리오 메이즈 쇼핑몰을 구경하러 왔어. 식당인데 동물원처럼 꾸민 테마파크 식당이랄까? 과연 여기 안에서 밥이 넘어갈지 궁금하네요. 굿즈도 팔고 아이들이 보면 큰일 날 것 같은 식당이에요.
I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get rights to go outside. And I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit.
쇼핑몰 안에 있는 아이들을 위한 놀이기구입니다. 그리고 쇼핑몰 안에 있는 화덕 샌드위치 집입니다. 푸드코트인데 화덕이 웬 말이냐. 지극히 미국 스타일의 판다 익스프레스 음식이네요. 한 입 먹으면 소금 소태 경험 가능합니다. 생각보다 괜찮네. 조금 짠맛이 늦게 느껴지는 건 뭐니? 이게 무려 반 조각인 샌드위치예요. 바질 치킨 샌드위치입니다. 방금 구운 빵이라 너무 맛있네. 여기 오면 이 화덕 샌드위치 드세요.
Can you do a 50-50 on both of them? Barbecue and sour cream, please.
And for the sour ones?
Just the original ones.
Girl, I know that you and I will last forever, last forever, last forever.
I'll see the light, oh baby, I want.
Oh yeah, you feel like you're in a different world. It's a gas system. Okay. Now, definitely you cannot chamber or manipulate it to real firearm.
Right.
Okay. So once you put a mag inside,
We'll just lock it back.
lock back, and ready. When you fire, it's only 30 rounds. Just so similar like real firearm. Once you finish firing, this thing will hold, lock back. Exactly, just hold it. Your military training, it will kick.
Yeah, right.
There you go.
Okay. Dang, man, these guys are crazy. Yeah, right.
I mean, surefire, mostly military using surefire. That's okay. That's need to be tiny. So, you know how in California ammo expensive?
Right.
It's hard to find.
Right.
So you just, build your muscle memory. You set up in garage, target everywhere, just pretending there's a bad guy coming inside your house. You know how fast you're pulling the trigger.
Right.
Or setting up.
Dang, okay. I've never personally handled a stick before.
But it's just basically like M4
Yeah.
style, AR style.
I've seen
It's
it.
ambidextrous. Most of my friends said they just some similar like SCAR.
Yeah.
And this is very compact than M4.
It is. I could I could manipulate it pretty well.
Oh yeah, I mean especially you're from the vehicle. Oh yeah.
Does this work or
Oh yeah. Oh,
can I?
yeah.
I don't want to.
That's fine.
Oh, but it does.
Sometimes picking. There you go.
Oh, the only issue is
The bolt. I mean
has a-
the dust cover.
there's a protrusion.
Yeah.
You want this? This is wild, man.
집에 있는데 왜 또 필요해? 라고 물어보니 모델이랑 컬러가 다르다네요. 화장품이랑 비슷한 건가? 근데 좀 많이 작아 보인다. 나한테 맞을 것 같아서 입어봤는데 딱 내 사이즈네. 두 남자의 끝나지 않는 총 얘기에 머리가 아플 지경이네요. 거의 2시간을 총 얘기를 했어요. 기다리면서 나는 옷 쇼핑을 해보려고 합니다. 밀리터리 룩을 진짜 밀리터리 옷으로 해버리기. 미국은 진짜 총기를 구매하기 전 에어소프트 건을 사서 숙련시킨 후 진짜 총기를 구매하는 경우가 많아서 대부분의 에어소프트 건이 진짜 총이랑 비슷하게 만들거나 총기 브랜드에서 에어소프트 건을 따로 판매하기도 한답니다. 물론 스포츠 활동으로 즐기기도 하고요. 그럼 다음 에피소드에서 또 봐요.
Fly away.